Hey, what's up, everyone? It's TechWares, and today is August 4th, 2025. Check this out. Very interesting. AMD's gaming CPU market share is past 40% on the Steam hardware survey. Came across this article, so I looked into it, and take a look at this. In July, on the Steam hardware survey, AMD's market share passed 40%, 40.39%, and it went up month to month, 0.74%. Intel's currently at 59.52% with a 0.75 drop. So take a look at March, guys. In March, Intel was at 62.30%, AMD was at 37.62%. And it's just a decline. Intel's just declined. And it keeps declining month to month. AMD's keeps rising month to month. Very interesting times, guys. Very interesting time. So, soon enough, this might even be, it might be 50-50 soon. It might be pretty even soon, guys. So, we'll see what Intel does with their next gen desktop processors. I believe it's Nova Lake. They say they will have like an X3D equivalent CPU. Because, for gamers, AMD's Ryzen X3D CPUs, they dominate in gaming. All the gamers are buying the X3D CPUs. Whereas Intel doesn't have, 3D V-Cache equivalent CPU. But it's supposedly be coming with Nova Lake S. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. And also, Intel sells a lot of laptops, mobile. When it comes to mobile, Intel dominates. So Intel also has Intel Panther Lake CPUs coming out this year. So that should kind of boost them in the market share as well. So yeah, Intel is not, I don't think Intel's going to be still putting up a fight. But yeah, just pretty interesting that, this is 5940 now. We keep seeing changes every month. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Take care. Peace.